Primetime news this evening. Government tables $1.3 trillion budget in Parliament. Opposition calls for the release of independent audit into the operations of Stocks and Securities Limited SSL. And a pomp and pageantry of new parliamentary year overshadowed by protest.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening it's all about the micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, and we have an important update from phase 1 of the roadshow. That and more in the Business Day.
And speaking of shows, it's the big show. That's me, Jermaine Brown, is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Jerry?
Well, thank you, Archie. Well, with our sporting meccas, the National Stadium and, of course, the Sabina Park in need of much repair work, it remains to be seen who will get the money first from the government. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather later in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the points raised in the throne speech?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
So stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.